So if you look at the job log over here, right, this is the log that how the AI process the thing step by step. So here, first step is when the chat message is received. Okay. Then the second step, it passed to the AI agent to do the analysis, and it break down the actually the thought process, the sequence, how the AI agent is processing the things. So first thing, this is the first one. Okay, under the Google Gemini chat model, it actually read the system prompt first. Okay, you are a helpful system. Please refer the FAQ to answer us, all this kind of thing. Okay, he read this part first. This is what I said just now. We put the context inside the system prompt. It's basically like an open book text. Okay, it will read the system message first. Okay, then it will read the human message. So this is how it works. So this one is as good as today we go to any ChatGPT, right? We just copy the entire phrase for the ChatGPT. So it will answer the human based on your input prompt over here. Okay, then after it go and call the tools over here. Okay, based on this data, this is the tools call ID. It retrieve everything back. And you see now they joined the conversation. This part is you are the helpful assistant, da da da. Then this part is the human answer. Then you can see that this one AI is calling the iPhone with input. So these are all the input data from the Excel spreadsheet. So this one will let you have a clear picture how the AI works behind the scene. First thing, it will read the system message. Then after he get the human message to query about the price of iPhone, then he call the tools. So basically, these are all the data that transmit back to the AI agent. And after that, it will tell you what is the token has been spent. Okay, what is the token that has been spent? So basically, a prompting token is like an input token. Okay, completion token is output token. In a layman term, output token is when AI talk to you. When I speak to you, I speak to you is output. I listening to you is input. So similarly to AI, when AI is listening to you, all the message that you type to AI is an input token to the AI. Any message that AI revert to you in text or in any format is called output token. Why this one is an important concept is because everything we use AI to do for us, you will consume the API token. So every API token is a variable cost. We need to pay for that. Right now, let me share some of the pricing with you. We use OpenAI as an example. Okay, I will share the link inside the group chat also. So from here, right, you can see that this is the latest model of OpenAI. And this is the price. Okay, most of us are accountant here, right? Okay, so the calculation is per million token. Okay, per million token. So just now we consume about 800 plus input token. Basically, you need to take the token, divide 1 million times the unit cost. Then you can get your actual cost for that run. So basically, the output token will definitely more expensive than the input token. So this is very important to know when you want to put things into production. How can you forecast the cost? What is the cost involved? So basically, input token is anything you instruct the AI, you feed to the AI, AI listen to you is input token. Anything AI output return to you, AI speak to you is the output token. For cache input are those messages you have previously feed to the AI and you ask him to refer again, like our system message. We always tell the AI that you are the helpful assistant. This is my FAQ. When it already catch inside the memory, it will sort of give you offer cheaper. It's like 10% of the input cost. Okay, so it's really like human. When I listen to you, okay, I don't need to speak. It's very easy job for me. So I will charge you lesser. If you tell me something that you have repeatedly informed me, I already know it, so it doesn't consume my brain memory too much, I will charge you even cheaper. But if I speak to you, I need to charge you some real money. So this is where you can explore to forecast your workflow, what is the cost impact involved. But right now, to be honest, the API cost is relatively cheap. Okay, it's very affordable. Unless you don't use the most expensive one. This one so far I never see people use GPT-5 Pro. It's too expensive already for this one. Cannot think of a use case for that. Then next question, common question that participants will ask is that, okay, what model should I use? Should I use mini or should I use 5.1? Should I use nano? Then my sharing is always that if let's say I were in the position, I will start with the lowest cost one because it's the most affordable in terms of the money. If let's say the lowest cost give me the result that I want, I will try to stick to the particular model. If that particular model cannot give me the result that I want, then I move on to a more expensive model. Okay. Any question for this part? Okay. So the token here, yeah, is to show you that how many token has been consumed, and it means how much money that you are going to pay. All right. So the next part, now we have already tried the tools, we have tried the chat model. The last bit is the memory of the AI agent. So now without plugging a memory to the AI agent, from what we know, here literally the AI doesn't have memory. But what does it mean? So right now, you can look at my screen. Okay, I said, hi, my name is Wei Jian. Okay, you will say, okay, hello, Wei Jian, how can I help you today? And I say, what is my name? I'm sorry, I don't know your name. So instantly, okay, it forgot who am I. Okay, so this is if you want to remember this easier, AI is designed by engineer. Engineer usually is guy. So guys tends to be not so good in memory something lah, but girls is good in memory. All right, so for here, we can click the plus button on the memory. We can hit the plus button of the memory, and we can select simple memory. Simple is good now. Simple is good. Okay. There are of course a different database memory lah, but for the training purpose, we keep things simple. We use the simple memory do. Okay. We just use the simple memory. So when you click on the simple memory, this is the screen that you have. And no need to worry about that. You only have one setting. It's the context window length. Basically, what does it mean when we put 5? We put 5 meaning to say that, okay, when I speak to you, imagine right now we are using WhatsApp to communicate. When I put 5, meaning to say that you now message me, I will refer to the past 5 message that I had with you before reply to your message. So how to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? For example, right now I am saying hello, then you reply me hi. It's considered 2 already. So the context window length 5, meaning to say that 5 messages. It's not 5 conversations. So I say hi, you say hi, is 2 already. Okay. So when you type 5 here, it will remember the past 5 conversation. So after you plug the memory to the AI agent, you can open your chat again. So let me try the things again and demo to you. Hi, I am Region. Okay, then I ask the same thing. What is my name? You tell me that your name is Region. So the memory has come already. Like I said just now, from the log, we can see the back end. Okay, how does it happen? So when it has the simple memory, you will load the memory value. Okay, then from here, it will first read the system message. Okay, refer the FQ, how much effort, refer the tools for this one. Then it will also load the previous conversation up to 5 message. Then it will only put your letters query at the last part. So this one, when I ask what is my name, this is my current conversation. he has read the previous history. Then only it will reply me. And it will store all this conversation inside this simple memory. For example, right now, I will say, let's say today is a good day. It's just a normal phrase. Okay. Then from here, we can see that in this memory, it's actually continuing stuff everything. Hi, I'm Wei Jian. How can I help you? What is my name? The name is Wei Jian. Then today is a good day. So this is the back-end logic lah. So AI doesn't has memory. It's just that he refer back the conversation with you using the same conversation ID. Then it gives you have an impression that it remember what you said. Then another common question that was asked by the participant is that what is the maximum? What is the maximum can go? Is it 999, 50, 100? So basically, when you see over here, you know that the logic is that it doesn't remember, it refer back the conversation history. So for example, right now I am messaging you. You ask me to reply you. Before replying you, I need to read through the 100 messages that we have sent before. Definitely, first thing is going to be time consuming than the normal process. Second thing, everything the AI do, it will charge you token. So when I read back the old message, I will charge you accordingly. So end of the day is the matter is a matter of the cost and time involved in the response time. So there is no hard and fast rule on what is the best parameter to be set. It depends on different use case. For example, you are shopping on the online platform. You text the customer service. Usually, the shopper will ask how much is this, what's the spec, then they end the conversation. So our recommendation to the user is that you refer back to your older chat log. Then you will find out that what is the average conversation with the client. Then you just set based on that parameter lah. Then it will give you a very good context. All right. So this is memory. Okay. Any question at this point of time? Okay. You can test on the memory, and let's say you successfully tested it, you just leave a 1 in the group chat. So I know that you have successfully tested with the memory already. Then we can move to the, I think it's the final part of today. I think still at 2 parts. Then we can conclude for today. It's very important for the customer service like online shopping to have the memory, because for example, usually behavior consumer asking out, you will say, how much is this? Then I'll say, I want to order 3. If the AI without memory, you tell them I want to order 3, they don't know what you order, what are the 3 things. Then another thing you don't want to overly extend the memory for the chatbot is because you don't want it to still stay with the last conversation. For example, the first conversation, the same customer is buying product A, but the next day login is the same ID. They want to buy product B, but you still remember that you think that he want to book product A, you give product A information. Then there will be some mismatch over there lah.